So this high is product. We have kind of so we take all this LR over here, like we all assembled these highs. പറടാ അതിനാ വന്നോ റിസൾട്ട്? എനിക്കറിയത്തില്ല, ഞാൻ നോക്കിയില്ലടാ. എന്നിട്ട് നോക്കിയാ നീ? എന്നാ കുറച്ചു നേരം വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം, അപ്പൊ സെറ്റ് ആവും. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ നോക്കാം. വേണം, ഞാൻ കുറച്ചുകൂടെ കഴിയുമ്പോഴേ നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചേക്കാം.
He beefed. He kind of just didn't want to be a part of the whole PB everything. Started commenting negative shit on Blake's posts and being all sorts of weird. What's up, guys? What's up, see? Yeah, you literally all this super hostile. You wouldn't be. Brian's good. Brian's still in here. Sway is, of course, Sway isn't profitable. Not happy. Did you find that? The high into the 15-minute gap would be the turn high. Which one? These? I got mixed up recently on what the intermediate and terminal highs were, but I'm pretty sure yes. But either way, it's an untapped hour Chelsea, so it's good. It's a good, what's it called? Where's London Eye? London Eye is up here. Have I made anyone in my chat profitable yet? Oh, you'd have to ask them. You'd have to check out testimonials. Yeah, no, I'm trash. No, like, is London Eye an internal high since it's inside? Oh, I get what you're saying. Technically, yeah. Well, it's a 15-minute internal high, but I wouldn't. If we were all the way up there, it's more about it being a 2-hour internal high at that point, or a 4-hour. It's a 4-hour internal high. My bullish. I want to have maybe a rejection off this, but yo, it's FOMC morning. Trump speaks at 9:30 in a minute. Like we're playing defensive today. Playing it defensive. At least in the morning, because I'm gonna stream FOMC, and so FOMC usually has a cleaner setup. I feel like we've streamed the morning of FOMC every single time, and every single time it's been chopped as fuck. So I'm not like super eager to do anything. Don't tell me we hit our hourly and just nuke straight away from Don. Don't do this to me, Donald. Someone full port. Fuck. How do I gain the balls to just start full porting my bias with 20 accounts? Like, imagine if every time you got to a level, yeah, I am wearing the same shirt as yesterday. I was wondering if anyone would notice. I'm a cripple right now, dude. I'm a cripple, okay? Can't do anything. Imagine if every time we were like coming up on a key level, we just had like a limit for 5 minis with like a 2-point stop loss and just like a 10-point TP. Just looking for like that initial reaction. I'm gonna backtest that later. I'm gonna backtest what would happen if we did that. No, well, kind of, but that's kind of the Powell model, yeah. But his is mainly rejection blocks, which maybe makes more sense. Maybe I'll turn into Powell. What would you guys say if I started to just like distance myself from PB the way that this way is?
What the fucking shit this is.
Like, what if I just started? What if I just started like shit talking Pat, Blake, and Ronan? I just like pretended that they did nothing for me. It's like was like fuck these guys. Imagine. Started being honest. Yeah, because I was doing so well before those guys. I was doing so well before they came along. Yeah, I start vouching that Dodgy made me, or I start saying someone else made me. Imagine. I just pick some dude I've never even like some dude I've never even talked to in the social media space, and I'm just like, this is my mentor. And I start making videos where I'm like, this guy really helped me out, and he's just like, he starts seeing the videos and he's like, who the fuck? What was some funny or weird shit that happened behind the scenes during the boot camp that they didn't put in the videos? Hang on, let me think. There was something on one of the days. I think the first day, I think Monday morning, they made us do like push-ups and laps in the pool, like as if it was like a military boot camp. That didn't make it in. Yeah, damn, Riley, that's so funny. I wanted to take it. Too. We did push-ups and swam laps in the pool. That never made it in the video, like jumping jacks and shit. And I absolutely mobbed in the push-ups too. Like I was like looking forward to being on camera. I actually mobbed in both of them. Sway probably did good swimming. You're right. He probably did. I mean, the pool was like 10 feet long. It wasn't much of a race pool. Am I still in contact with any of the others from the boot camp? I'm in contact with all of them except Sway. The pool shit was crazy for me because I have contacts and I'm blind without contacts. Like literally, like really, really blind. And so I had to take my contacts out. Like, I was surrounded by cameras and people I didn't know, and Pat and Blake, and I literally couldn't see an inch in front of my face. So I just had to hope that I was like looking normal and being normal. I literally couldn't see anything. That was literally the first day too, so it wasn't like I was friends with them. But yeah, Denise, Brian is still in here. Sway was in here, and then he left. And then, but Brian's still in here. He still hops in all the time. And then I literally just talked to Patty last night and Blake 2 days ago. Talk to them all the time still. Yes, and one is still in here too. Bro, if I actually got into this Patty swing, I would be tempted to hold the whole way. It'd be tough though because ES isn't really delivering from anything significant. I guess it did sweep the internal 30-minute high. Didn't hit the hourly though. But I would be tempted to hold for forever.
The only thing we can think about right now is just to get out of any.
Nice point out, Bedoza. Was Sway that clueless, dude? Sway was the tall one. Someone send the Sway and Brian sticker. Sway is the one on the left. Is it safe to say you get the most setups trading inverse gap? All of my trades are inverse gaps usually. It was just a gamble, Mirko. It was good. It was good contextually, but it was a gamble. I trade the highest IVG I mean, you can basically see my whole room.
Holy shit, bro, that is really good. Very good anyway. We sweep all this a lot. High time from a lot. Wrong all the way, like it is a high time.
I don't know, honestly. Brian, like I know that like Brian, we just always had different relationships with them. You gotta realize like Brian is so much younger. You know? Like it's easy to forget, but he's so much younger. I feel like he looks pretty young. It's hilarious. But like Brian is super young. Yeah, I was just happy to be there, Colin, honestly. Like aside from plus me getting to put on and act like a dickhead and make fun of him was so much fun. All of it was just fun as hell.
I'm willing to take this
on Instagram. I do a house tour.
Just give me an entry for April's entry, bro. John just fade me always.
If you actually wanted to see it,
maybe we want
I can't remember if I ever posted on Instagram. I might have posted it on Instagram too. Reposted it.
That is
that trade was good. That was a good trade. You took that, Joe? Oh. I was gonna say, damn.
How to
yeah, I was pretty disappointed in my throwing performance. Those shits were sailing. Yeah, I think after
Hey,
FOC is valid, Joe.
before getting fucked up. Come on. Let's go.
He's full flavor
Netanyahu, where are
Iowa
you?
County.
Okay,
Well,
here
I
we
don't
go.
really have
Holy
County
shit.
canon. That was always my best
Look at
afternoon
this.
sports.
Look
Absolute
at
canon.
this. Oh, come back and refine it.
It isn't the
Give me
same.
an A plus.
My shoulders are
No.
all beat up.
Oh,
Johnny just
Netanyahu
passed
just
his
got
first
more
year
liquidity,
of
making
W,
us this third A
Johnny.
plus.
Let's go,
Holy
let's
shit,
go,
bro.
Johnny. Anthony, how do I get
Holy
motion in the
shit,
trading
bro.
community?
Netanyahu
Just
is
be yourself.
rocking. Come on. Come on, buddy. Buddy. Lightweight. Buddy. Lightweight.
I think you should be alright, Mirko, yeah.
Netanyahu gives an entry.
Yeah, definitely not taking a work right now. You know I don't take, you shouldn't either. For a long, I mean.
Oh, very good.
Cock short, if it leads these lows and things, would be pretty tempting. I usually just use EQ.
Okay, Anthony on the same area as mine.
Antonio's
So
golden TD.
looks like my trade idea is not that dumb. Like this is an A plus if we tap it at 5 minutes. There are a lot of an SMT. Yeah, we don't have an SMT, but we sweep that.
No 5.
Yeah, we have that SMT. Like, but it's okay, bro. Like, guys here. Got it done here.
Can't hire a block if it even is one would possibly hold against a daily devil's mark. That would be ludicrous.
Where is daily devil's mark? No, that is not daily.
Low time frame
SMT. Daily, like this previous day low right there. Oh. Okay, that's a previous day.
Take the shades off real quick here. We take the shades off and lock in a little bit for our Jesus mark.
Amen, and he show you the man.
I mean, if this low time frame SMT was intact, I don't know.
Do we need a better one?
This trade wouldn't work.
Does he have a?
Is closing respecting. If you want it to happen in the next 2 minutes. Even if it doesn't happen here in this 5 minute ends up getting run through a little
I
bit.
will love if we get a
If we end up getting a resweep of the highs, deeper into the highs, now we've engineered more lows in the direction of our initial target, so could be better for after.
Like, imagine Netanyahu help us to see this high.
Why am I cold, bro? It's not cold in my room at all.
And if this 5 minute involves that,
What do
doesn't matter.
you mean? Look at the 2 hour. It's on the 2 hour. Oh, do you mean us bouncing in a 2 hour? I don't really care about that. The devil's mark. Yeah, that happens. That happens often, Joseph, for sure. Inverse it. Yeah, I know. I don't care about the 2 hour bullshit. Yeah, at all. The structure is kind of cooked now for an entry model though here. 15 minutes gonna be a big old whip.
Holy shit, what was that wig, bro?
Big old wig.
Never pushed us higher, but we wanted
Not
lower
good.
now, but we can't ask for too much, right? Yeah. We ask more too much.
Oh, I gotta stop. I gotta stop freaking shivering. It's bad. It's literally like 70 degrees in my room. I don't know what's wrong with me.
We take that shit. That's a BPR right there. We need to respect that.
You guys gonna trade when Trump speaks? I'm pretty sure Trump's already speaking.
He's the CEO of the Organization Week.
No, I don't think. It took long.
But it will never take that long, bro. I don't think that it will take that, but it's also late taking.
I would be pretty surprised.
Yeah.
If anybody took that long.
It will take that long.
I highly doubt Blake is in that trade. Maybe Dodgy, who knows with that guy. Bro, what is wrong with me? What the hell is wrong with me?
Holy shit, I have 15 seconds. Wow, this is good, but we...
See, like, now it's short. This is nice engineered liquidity, but now the structure for an entry is, like, fried.
This is good short, bro, but I am just late for the entry, so... And there is no minor target. Other thing. We would overrate you.
The 2-minute inverse, I'd probably feel obliged.
We swept that intermediate equal highs right on the years and on the
yeah, it's usually better from him in his videos. Is it better for ES to hit the 1 hour above? It doesn't have to now. It's already in its 2 hour. Like, we can leave gaps if we're still in a spot that's valid for distribution.
Allow 15 second recently, so the BPR over here.
This is super suspect though. Like, why would this 5-minute fail? 5 minutes shouldn't have failed.
We don't make any gaps, so hopefully we will make a 4 but I don't care about the 4 that what is the tiny ass 4 gonna do. I will allow if it gonna take down before taking anything. Now, come on, do something. Where is our Nahdyav? Oh, we are moving now. That's why it is moving like this. Yeah, we made a little 4.
That 5-minute, I feel like, should not have failed. Why is my box this color? I love this song you guys are listening to. I would be tempted to discretionarily not wait for the 4-minute if we inverse both 2 minutes on one candle. If this candle inverse both of them. It depends on what ES is doing there. I want ES to inverse this 3-minute too.
I'll have some cheese with this high 65.
Screen.
I'll take that to its this 2-minute inversion, so
Really want to take a stab at it. Trump speaks and FOMC is late. Yeah, I mean, I'm okay with the, like, I think the draws are super, super strong. So,
Mark the 4 minutes anyway. The BPR is getting rejected off. Like,
If I take a lot, I don't really care. It's okay. It's a good enough setup to where I'd be willing to stand. ES is doing that. Like if we're using this 2 minute, ES is actively respecting this 3 minute, then I'll instead of my discretionary deal. Wow, that's tempting. That's tempting. Tempting. We'll see though. Oh, did the Fade King strike again, bro? By the Fade King. By the Fade King. I mean, why would I'm not going to take it when ES is actively respecting a 3 minute and we're in a 4. The only way you take a discretionary trade like that is when both of them are in the right spot. ES ended up respecting CE. See warning during Trump, like I'm obviously going to be defensive. Like, it's like, oh, who's the Fade King now? Freaking pricks. It's still me, but Fade. It might play out still, but either way, it's like a total valid Fade.
I'm willing to take shots, but the 2 minute inversion, but the ES is still kind of respecting.
I wouldn't say the whole week is defensive. I would just say the morning of FOMC is going to be defensive.
There is nothing for inside on the time frame, but
Not yet. I'm not taking
one
shorts
more
yet.
flip
Look at
would
ES.
be bang, man.
What ES is reacting to its 5 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute.
Come on, bro, just give me one more SMD
Would you
on this.
trade PM?
Boy, so that would be a far after. Do we need Nanya more than enough now? We need it on ES right now for an SMD. Come on! Do it for me! Do it! Do it!
Shine.
Do it.
Yes, I'm the trader from C. ES doesn't need to hit its hourly. It is respecting its bullish.
What do we have here? What do we have here? London highs, reaching London highs. Okay, shit. Matter. Why don't we have an SMT? That's good, bro. We need to wait for a SMT. There's a lot of LR above, so I'm not gonna take it. Only if getting an SMT on ES, we are taking this because a lot of stuff's going on everywhere, and we only have these relatively equal lows and the high time frame LR, which may run all the way through the new week opening up. So
I think it's just kind of shocked.
I think we can take this and go over. So maybe Netanyahu will also have glass.
Versus its 5 minute. And we get like a 30 30-second inverse to the downside on NQ maybe, but right now it looks pretty win. Subjects. Looks a win too.
Something. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Yeah, I would say so. This PA is cooked.
Come on, bro. We can take the Labo ones just given us a beautiful shot. That will be amazing. They're also presenting LR here also. Like high time frame or low time frame, we have SMT. Like LR is Java train, so
Missing on a short though, it is what it is. This is like the easiest fade spot of all time. Maybe that's a good confluence for you guys. Trades I've been fading like a lot of the times play out. But yeah, I mean this is just horrendous. LR at your stop too. It's horrendous deal. Yes, it's valid to trade FOMC. The foot. 30th time. FOMC's it's 2 p.m. Eastern. No, it's okay, Logan. It's just that literally like it's been asked 10 times in the last 10 minutes.
Oh, we said that.
See if we keep engineering more liquidity or if we're just gonna run it.
We kind of run it. So. The low is just gone. Man, what the fuck is this, man? Fucking retarded. Fuck. We take it on yes. Yes, it's still lagging.
I'm speaking now. Good timing.
Okay, Trump is also speaking, so we don't have the Twitter is going to do something.
No, I'm not. I hated where ES was at. ES was actively still respecting his 5-minute. Good draws below, but super chop PA too. On 1 minute, like I mean, just the least clean shit ever. Look at the 5-minute too. Do you ever get FOMO from JPs? Not really. I mean, this one was like.
Nehemiah didn't help us today, so I'm kind of sad. Netanyahu, why did you do this to me? Netanyahu, why?
Nice,
Okay. Look at this 4 hours now doing.
No, the short's gone. The entry's gone. What is it, Jesus mark? It's a devil's mark. Why'd you fade it though? Because it was disgusting and ES was in a 5 minute.
No, bro, the daily low is still, we can take the short if any types of chaos firms, so not yet because we have a lot above us, so dope, so kind of bad to be honest. Take the trade.
Yeah,
Like
4-7. Really good draws. Why call it a Jesus mark? Devil's mark's bad juju. Get away from the devil. We came up with it this morning. Maddie took the 4-minute date. Maddie probably doesn't even know it's FOMC today. It makes sense for Patty to take trades like that because he doesn't look at, like, Patty and Blake don't look at ES the same way that Ronan and I do usually. It's not his 60th win in a row. He's taking losses. It's just he, what's it called? He hasn't had red days. It's not that they don't care about it yet. They just don't look at it the same way. They're not, like, actively monitoring it the same way. Yeah, no, Patty's on it here.
Ah, this is bad. It is bad.
Patty trades here for, yeah, exactly. Do you still consider the short valid, though? What short? 4-minute? I mean, I personally didn't like the candle close at all on it. For big ass rejection wick. And ES was actively respecting a 5-minute. Yeah, it was just an obvious bias. Really good draws. It was a good eval trade.
Ah, fuck.
Why do you hate when I say that? It's different for you though. An eval might as well be a funded when you have past evals. It's not the same. I'm more so mean it for people who are like in spots specifically do it. Pretty bad. There's a fly or something in my room. I can hear it. I think. It's definitely a problem. Send it here. You see how we can talk on it. I can't. I always miss the DMs. Ask for waffles. Jeez. Scare the fuck out of it. It's a plastic glass. I think it's 20
watch this. Don't be expunged.
Wait until after you see. I should have said wait until we're not in the trading. Wait till 11. What happened? What? My foot? Oh, I just sprained it playing basketball. Alright.
Yeah, I'm kind of
I know,
looking.
dude. I was thinking that. Like,
Not
I'm
if we get an income level.
So now you're gonna do it up, literally. I had like shit. Ready to retire. Yeah, we did a 4-minute. I would prefer for us to do 5-minute with the no upper wick on 5-minute right now. Expect it to go up anyway. Like just taking 1-to-1 I don't think there's an issue if the majority of your trades are ones. That's what mine usually are. But taking static RR trades is really stupid. No, it's just that it takes a lot of 1-to-1s. Like that's just the nature of the style of trading we have. But you should never base your R or TP just based on your position's RR. Your position has the market has no idea what your country is. It doesn't care. No, I have money.
Ah, this market is flying my way. Ah!
That's the shirt.
Yes, I am.
And yeah, base everything on duo.
Yeah, we just adjust daily also.
That's a good question. Up to the 5-minute count. We've taken a lot of the sell side though. Not nearly as strong a draws as it was. It was way cooler before we had all these lows intact. Equilibrium of the swing too though. Diogo, I like the idea. I was looking for a short there too, but it was a big ass rejection wick, and ES was actively at 5-minute, which made me kind of stuff that, but I like the idea that.
No, 30 second is there, but it's not worth it. Try to try difference also. Just wait.
Spam calls are coming in. Good or bad sign for my trades, I forgot. I think it's bad. This 15-minute second endorse is strong, I'm gonna take it. See if we can get this shit. Good LRL as a break even. Edge previous day lows. Already took some of the targets. So it could be lower probability with it being morning up. See. obvious looking draw. Yes, respected. It's 1 minute, but it built good LR against the previous day. I mean, below too. So as its doubles mark open, it's gonna be nice. Morning of FOMC could chop us around a little bit. We'll see. We shall see. If this trade loses, then I'd say it's safe to say that we're engineering liquidity for FOMC, and then we would just look to bounce back during FOMC. Anything that I'd be thinking. We can with those on ES too. You oversized, dude. Come on. What the hell? I'm a little de-risked too. You know, I'm pretty close to a full 1 hour though. Yeah, I'm definitely not that de-risked. I risk 3. Tough. I'm out. Lost.
Fuck, they ended on this trade, bro. I don't even like this trade. What the fuck? What the fuck is this trade?
Dagger.
I don't even realize they ended, but I was waiting for some kind of lower time frame confirmation to get on. There is not even a CSID. What are we ended on? 15 seconds? No way, bro. This. I don't understand, bro. There is a 30 second. Not 30 second. I will enter if there is a 30 second. Not even 30 second, bro. What are they ended on? I don't understand.
W idea. W trade. Confident in that too. That was a really good setup. I'd say the biggest thing against that trade is just that we had already swept significant sell side. So like there was enough swept to where, you know, something like what happened could happen. But entry confirmation, I have no IFVG on the chart. There's an IFVG. It's a higher time frame you probably.
That is likely a high song.
What's it called? FOMC. You know, it's part of the risk of running an FOMC deal.
Oh, they ended on the 15 seconds. I don't think the 15 seconds is valuable.
Smacking down. Nice 6. Yeah, but today
Yeah, something with that highs.
it's fire.
Again, huge
No, I
ascent.
didn't take a W, I took an L. These games. We got a long day ahead of us, though. A lot of hoop. Long ass day ahead of us. It's an infinite hoop. Thanks, sir. I appreciate that. Guys, why are you crashing out? You knew coming into today, was it not so established? We said 100 times that it's the morning of FOMC, Trump is talking. Like we knew it was going to be lower probability stuff.
And I mean, not even a CSID entry, that is crazy, bro. Not even a 30 seconds CSID, that is the funny thing about this trade. They all under, man. I'm not even Anthony, everyone in this trade.
Yeah, exactly.
Most of the guys, that's the bad thing about this. Because fine it could work, but we're edging the daily, so. Edging the daily and one other thing like the generating LR on Friday. We did see some that cannot be considered as a rejection block or
Yeah, I
rejection
know,
block,
awesome.
but still that is not a rejection block. If we can re-enter
Yeah,
it.
like I was, I didn't love it. I think I took the 5-minute count. Yeah. Should you risk out for full, or can you afford to lose the count? Then maybe you could flip. How much should I risk? I took 350 times 20. Each up. Maybe if I was you at either 400 or 250 or 200. I think it's not the worst idea to do. Less. I think the price action after FOMC is usually fine.
I think the RB and S&P should be high. As a
2 o'clock, I think usually. It's 350 light for you.
top four. Top in the RB is also.
I said I went later. I went later than full.
What is okay? I just open the system here. Right here. It might form another frames like around 10 the 15.
Yeah, 4,500. I mean, I don't have plans of going to a live account, so I've got like a 50 or 100K liquid. No, definitely would not recommend going live with 3K payouts. Yeah, it's tough about it. It's okay. It's part of the game. What account size do you trade on? 50K. switching to a live account is like dumb early on. You have AirPods? Yeah. I like that shirt too. I think it was good. I took a 5-minute cut. Yeah, me too. Me too. Me too, me too. Surprised. I'm pretty surprised. I know we sweat really good sell side already to have a reaction, but the fact that NQ left its devil's mark intact is pretty fucking shocking to me. It's the DUL for FOMC too, although I do feel like these highs should be protected. You got a low time frame SMT, I feel like 5 minutes on my burst, but yeah, no, there was, yes, I'm trading FOMC, yeah, there was,
Thank you, bro. Very much.
there was valid, what's it called?
I don't know, but no, it's
Developed,
need a fucking assembly for way of that, but also I wanted like special bro.
AirPods. Yeah, I do, but I don't think you should elevate. You should only try and pass evals hella fast if you've got like a bolo pass. Otherwise, it's like you're just reinforcing attachment to outcomes. There's no reason. The feeling instead of funded is like something you want to lean into because it's a testament to the fact that you're thinking outcomes more than the trades. You know? So, anytime you notice yourself feeling desperate to get off eval, that's a sign that if you did get off eval, you'd probably just blow the account anyway. So it's like, good. It's a good thing. At that 15-second close, that trade was good. So what do you recommend risk? I would risk the same as what you plan on risking on a funded trade it like it's real. No, I didn't say I don't trade 15 second. What do I rate it? A plus, maybe A. I would say it's not A plus because of what we've already swept. We've already swept a bunch of solid sell side. That's the only thing that I think would keep it from being A plus.
Question, bro, will we get this?
Is FOMC at 382? That's it. I have no idea what my win rate in the second is. I don't think the 5-minute was sponsored. I don't think you heard about that. I wouldn't be sponsored. No, there's a new lag in between. Yes, to this. It's failure swing. So it's a new leg of price. Sponsor. This is a failure swing. Straight down, but look. Look at it now. Does it look straight down now? What is it? Times fract. I need to tag Ronan. I know the answer. you still do giveaways? Yeah, of course. Just send your receipts.
Can we get one more journalism sheet? I'm taking my own freaks now, bro. Fuck Anthony. Well, bro, I always respect Anthony. He helped me a lot. Like getting the I sometimes miss like the 4 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute gaps and everything. He helped me a lot to find that. There's no valid level to trade and sure, but I like this.
Yeah, it's a loss. Yeah, I'm looking for another trade. So it's just beginning. A lot of hoop.
Puma will be kind of sad for it.
Yeah, I wouldn't take a short right now. Shit.
I would.
No shit.
I don't like this stock or like I will read some for exercise purpose. I think we want to go lower. This expansion is the like one. You could share an assembly or something. Assembly, so.
Yeah, I took a 15-second count loss with. CISDs with IFVGs, because like a lot of the times it's just gonna end up sweeping your break-even point shit. The 3 minute, I don't like it. You're into 5 minutes. Or actually, you're not into 5 minutes, but.
As we get something like the 15 minutes going to open. So the manipulation distribution lower. No, clean. Lot of Allah Rabbil ourselves.
Well, I mean, yeah, it's kind of sus. It's sus. I mean, like, it depends. The 15 minute ended up reacting hard enough to where the 3 minute was closing super strong. It's gonna be the same candle as the 15 minute. The 30 minutes opening now. Maybe sus. Yes, I did fly. No, it's off a good level, Joseph. It is off a good level. It's more just about the conditions.
Taking 3 minutes is not a small
We
idea.
just bounced this hard.
Taking a 15 second or 30 second if you sweep,
from
all this will be smart.
The 5 minute break even is fine though. Versatility. I wish there was an SMT. If there was an SMT, I'd feel a lot better about just taking like the first inverse like that.
There are rejection blocks. Bro.
I know it's a fire. Like I love the songs. Obviously, I wouldn't have them on there otherwise. It's just what's it called? I don't like listening to music while I trade. Honestly, usually. It isn't sponsored. The 5 minute wasn't sponsored. I didn't care because of the strength of the drop. It literally wasn't. This is a failure swing. Because it looks like it's straight down. Doesn't change.
I'm gonna take this. I like that 5 minute as the break even volume. We just manipulate it. 5 minute is not tapped. When the 3 minute close, I might take it. Or sure very much to the downside. If the 5 minute doesn't tap the 5 minute, it probably will. Yeah, we'll tap it for sure.
Shaded head so far. It's been tough. I guess this the 2 minute inverse. Which one was the 3 minute maybe? One of them had like a discretionary close. You could have taken before the 4 minute inverse. 2 minute, I think it was. That's what I'd say I should have shorted right here after this 2 minute inverse, both of these. So I should jump into discretionary wise. I took the 5 minute they got smoked. See, that's not a fact. No, it's not. She's gonna hit this 5 minute thing before it's 3 minute inverses.
I think we might not get any trades that I'm like soon.
Below. The range is getting insane. If this 5 minute fails, then I might jump in a short because there's like no fucking reason for it to. Sonya is still beating it by maximum rate.
Yeah, that is a trade that we could take. Still, LR above us. But even didn't form like a wick. Or reject profits. We really need a wick. I was lower on this trade. $28 because I will round up to like
Chelsea.
this looks pretty strong enough also. And even if this entry like we are entering off a something is not right about this trade. Like the 30 minute doesn't form manipulated into anything. 1 minute still have LR, which is kind of in a bad spot.
Yeah, they both need to inverse. I would both run out.
Like we didn't make a 30 minute wick. That is the major problem I don't like. Just made a tiny wick. Maybe I'll risk 35. Just for the fun of the game. Like we only risk 30 when it will just
Anyway,
which is better to take.
It's still, like, it's a good box. Like, it's fine. Totally fine loss.
Not investment. Fuck it.
Even if it's unsponsored, it's a good loss.
The fucking edge. That didn't work.
In my opinion. I didn't think it was sponsored because this is a failure swing. So it's not technically like the same leg of price.
Yeah.
That's why it looks like this in the 1 minute.
Fuck it. So we can't long either. Oh, we will just wait for shots. Better shots. widgets just bang this trade on ES. Like on ES, it looks good.
Regardless of if it's sponsored or not, I still think it's a good setup.
Holy shit, bro. Yes, it's delivering. Fucker, motherfucker. Maybe I should backtest the VS for like this is necessary to okay VS. Yes, looks good enough to trade, but yes. And it doesn't look that good. We need both of these level to get involved. Or we need a good balance into this 5 minutes before we just distribute. That would kind of form another like 15 minutes. Maybe we will be or 3 from it.
Give us 3 minutes.
I think so. I don't want the 3, I want to 5. Risking lot lower. What are we looking at? When we have fucking 5 minutes. If we have 5 minutes, why not we just wait for this? I don't see the sense in Ron's, but that could work though. This PS rate is so banged for chop for it to be bitch. Ah! Ha!
Yeah, I'll be able to answer questions more specifically when I'm done trading. I'm not active trading. Just then this. Got a con instead.
Yes, bro! Chop like
I
me!
also need to pull back instead. Oh, it could be engineer Carlos. Could be dope. This is earlier consolidation. It's pretty fat delivery. There's multiple 200-point swings in both directions. I wouldn't really call that consolidation.
Oh, rejecting any key levels. What is this? Okay, the name is still intact though, so I'll trade fine thing goes. Just keep my stop here. Oh, it's fine.
Suppose to sell it, John. I'm still gonna take small, I think. Well, it won't really be small, but it's like super obvious displacement towards our draw.
I'm in this trade on low risk until we make this 10 AM low. Now protection as a 5 minute as our like protection to our trade, so it's valid to put our stop above this level. Only risking 20.
Yes, it's the previous day low.
Like it fucking want to rip through that level.
I just got in game earlier.
Break even there.
Said you can. Alright, you guys hit that low, break even. Break even on that low, see if we can run.
We could run through the new week opening caps.
See if we can run, get some money back here. Hopefully he has to set it for a 10 log. Honestly, expecting us to get break even. Crazy LR. Low key, we got break even and we pulled up for a continuation out of the 5 minute. I could potentially still be down a continuation out of this. But I'd obviously prefer us to just not hit
Like if you take that trade on the ES, it would be TP'd by now. So it is valid if we got break even on this trade. So either way, bro, this is just another trade.
break even.
Fast break even of the day. No, there is no fucking draw, bro. Don't be fucking emotional. We have a fucking SMT at that lows. No trades, no more trades, Anthony. Fucker. Why are you emotionally trading? There is no fucking draw. We have a SMT at that lows. New week's opening gap is still there, but don't fucking trade now, bro. Don't fucking trade right now. The long is, yeah, it is a pretty good long, bro. Wow, that long was really good, bro. If I just paid a little attention for that long rather than that short, it would be banged by now. It's an A plus long. Oh, that 1 minute 5 minute also. Let's see if we can get a nice little push to the entry again to re-enter on this. I will enter on this trade. It's just pull back into my entry one. We tap into this 1 minute.
Yeah, I guess both of
We
them.
can take that now. It's of the daily. Like we tap into this 1 minute right now, so we can't take that. Like we have that 5 minute in that.
It's tough, bro. It's such a strong draw on NQ. Like, it makes me want to get back in if we had versus 30 seconds, but it's just like so shocked to do that after ES is took the vote, so I'm obviously not going to. It makes me want, I definitely want to.
Problem with this trade is like we just tap in this 1 minute. We just inverse it and
Yeah, I used to think that. I don't know what it means. So now.
let's see the lower time frame. Yeah, bro, it looks good enough for me. And I need that Warrington pants. So confirm we are not. Okay. We got one more bullish candle to enter on this trade. Bullish candle. Plain bullish candle. Not a stupid one, but a plain. What we do is if that goes, I'm in this trade in for to that 5 minute. TP at this 5 minute. It is still top of that 5 minute.
Nice. W risk management. W.
We have a tiny 5 minute there. I didn't see that.
So ES took the previous day low. Obviously, well, S&T at that. Like, I think. I mean, what doesn't have to be a drop. Doesn't have to be.
It's a tiny 5 minute there. I didn't see that, bro. Look at this shit.
Oh.
Holy shit, bro. We just saved our last one. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit, bro. I'm fucking done for the fucking day, bro. Imagine if we just hold that, bro. Holy shit, bro. Holy fucking shit. No way.
Thanks, fucking ES. God damn it.
Holy fucking shit. This is some kind of news, bro.
That is so sad.
Man, this is.
I'm so fucking.
Holy shit. What is this, bro?
Joking around. It's not just fucking.
The performance comes early. What is happening? Holy shit, bruh. What is the shit?
That was crazy.
Oh my fucking gosh.
This part was too bad.
Fuck trading on today, bro. And that's wrong.
Bad day.
I think I take 2 loss. No, I wait for this straight race, then I enter on here like under 15 seconds. It's also valid. What was that, man? I'm just so. That is news. Obviously, it is a news. The fuck? Okay, just done for the fucking game, bro. Just get this shit. Imagine if we are on the trade without going break even, man. That would be fucking ripped by now. But so many. That's sad. What was the trade that I took? Like the time or something like that.
That was a failure swing.
About the
Damage don't just like look like swing. Sometimes it's literally just like a
yeah,
candle like
for
that.
this.
And then you look on
Like
the
if
board,
we took kind of here, that would be fine.
it's not the same like price. Like the same
We
way
got
we
video on the trade.
assume that this is a
This is
different
by
like price relative to the IFVG entry model. Why would that apply here? Why would that not be the same?
It should be a news, bro. There is no fucking way of getting that type of thing. What is
sponsored or not was no difference to
Fuck,
me
bro. I'm
Uh,
just putting. I'm just out of this.
with the trade. So the W trade regardless. Like catch anything? Yeah, I took a loss and then I just took a